Good morning, everyone. Grape R60 here. Well, the leaves are all falling, and they cut down our two. Hello, bus. They cut down our two trees that were there. They said they were dying or rotting. So now we have a clearer view of the park. Mom would have loved this, sitting here watching the kids at the park. Anyway, so we've rearranged a few things, put a few things, cat carriers. My son has 3 cats in a 2-bedroom apartment with 5 people. What do you think? So I'm outside having my bad habit. You know I don't show very often. And my cup of tea. Now, can I put you, let me see. Oh, maybe back here. I'm kind of a hot mess. So it's the day after the move. There was a few mishaps, a few complications. And what happened, the plan was, storage people had their movers. We're going to take everything from my son's apartment and bring it to storage that he wanted in storage. But they didn't bring everything. My son, in his imagination, thought my apartment was bigger and brought more to my apartment than my apartment could handle, sort of traffic. But the plan was, the movers were going to bring this stuff to storage. We rented a U-Haul to go to their apartment, take stuff they want to bring here, and take my stuff, once we got here, take my stuff, load the truck, and bring it to storage. It didn't happen. We were all so tired. Time was getting away from us. It was just, yeah, I fell asleep about 11 o'clock. They were up and bustling. I didn't hear a word. I slept till 10:30. Preface to say, the night before I fell asleep at 6 in the morning and woke up at 8 in the morning. I mean, it was like 2 hours sleep before the move. I was in panic mode. I didn't care about my crafty area, as I showed you. I didn't care that it was a mess. I cared that they had their compartmental places. My son's room, the master bedroom, the second bedroom for Justin, and Joshua, which was sharing the living room with me, which actually worked out really, really well. He's got a comfortable chair. He's got his, he does a lot of gaming. He loves gaming. So, yeah. So this is just a quick update. I'm having my cup of tea sitting on the balcony. We have decided that even though today is beautiful, it's warm, it's supposed to be warm for a few days before the snow. I think what will happen is my bad habit will be outside even in the freezing cold. Although my car is my car and I do smoke in my car. Any passenger knows that. If they want to ride, I was hoping it would deter them, but it doesn't. Yeah. So that's the update for Friday. Absolutely exhausted. We've got to go to U-Haul and settle up the account. We've got to drop a few things off at the thrift store and pick up groceries. We have no groceries. So we had supper at like 10 o'clock last night. So now my son is super organizer. He must have got it from me, right? Yeah, right. Anyway, he has been organizing the house like crazy, and I'm quite proud of him, but I have to get my act together and sort through my craft area and make sure that I have it functioning. Another bus. Yeah, make sure it's functioning. So anyway, that's it for me for today. I'm sorry it's a short one, but we got groceries to do. We got a few little things, and then I think we're going to take the weekend to kind of slow down, although my son does not know how to slow down, and see how it goes. It was really cute this morning. I woke up slightly. I think it was around 7 or 8 or something. I woke up slightly and saw my son come by, sat on the side of my bed, and he said, "Hey, Mom, it's been a long time since your son's been able to wake you up in the morning." That was so cute. Yeah, my grown-up baby. You know, it's funny, when he did that, I thought of, you know, when he was a little boy. Oh, God, emotional. Stop that. Okay, guys. Thanks for stopping by. A very quick update, and we'll see you when I'm half normal again.